Hello guys, this is Mr. Afri and I'm here to show you how to run an effective ad and make payment. This is how to make payment on Facebook using your transfer, making transfer to Facebook advert so that you can promote your page. All right, let's go directly. Click on this advert. We are assuming that you already know how to run an ad, but you're having issues with any. If you don't know how to run an ad, please go back and watch a video on how to run an ad. Let's say I want to promote a particular post I've made on my video. I'll click on that post aspect and then let me check out for a particular post. Okay, let me just go back here. Let me go straight to, I'm taking this video as someone who doesn't know anything about, how will I call it, anything about page promotion. So I'm showing you this. So let's say you want to promote this video now. You can say they said boost post. It's not a video, it's a picture. I'll click on it. Okay, all right. So what do I want from this? You can see we have things like people reach. What's the goal? This one say automatic. Next one, let's click on see more. You can see get more messages, get more engagement. If it's a video, you will see get more views. So here I want to go for, let me say, get more engagement. I'll click on get more engagement and I'll proceed. So you want to put a button, you can put a button where people can call you or message you. For now, I don't want others. My intention is not to do anything. My intention is to show you how to. Okay, let me say I want a message. If it's a product, you can click on this thing and then it's a product and then I will save from here. All right, so you keep on. The next one is advantage creativity. You check it. Special category. If it's a product, if it's about financial products and services, employment, housing, please put it there. If you are looking for, let me explain. If you are selling a product or you are advertising a skill or anything has to do financial or political issues, please make sure you check something like this. Make sure you click on this check. Okay, they will ask you, if you click on it, they will ask you which parts, what are you doing. You get you can say financial products and services. You can do that. All right, but that's not what we want. Let's leave there. It's not, let's remove this thing. So continue like this. If you don't know how to set your audience, please set your audience by clicking here, edit. I already have existing audience that I set, but I can just come here and click on edit. I'll set my audience. I'll write the name of the audience I want. And then I'll come down here, select the age and then location. I can choose a particular location, maybe Anambra. I can say I don't want just Nigeria. I'll just choose remove Nigeria and then I'll say let me say Lagos State. Lagos. You can say Lagos. There are many Lagos. So this is Lagos State, Nigeria. You can see Aja. You can limit it to some certain places in Lagos. Sangotedo, Lagos. So some places in Waya. So you can just select on Lagos. Save. You can type multiple address if you want. Now it's selected. I will just click on this and remove this one. You can want to write again. Let me say Asaba. You can write Asaba by adding Asaba to this. Asaba Delta State, you see, two of them are selected already. So these are what you can do if you're selling a product that is just in Lagos, Asaba. Click OK. My intention is to show you how to pay for this, but I'm just showing you one or two ways. Okay, click on save. After that, make sure you select your age. If you're selling a product for maybe young people, from 18 to maybe 48 or 50, or depending on age, is not bad. It can make you, and then people are interested in one or two things. Maybe people are interested in maybe music or anything. Just select what you want. People are interested in music, choir. So make sure you take time and go through what you want. Next one is gender. If you want, you can just click on male. That's your target, or female, that's your target. So if you're selling male clothes, you can decide to go for just male or female, or make female clothes, you want to go for male. So you can go for both gender by clicking on all. Do you get it now? Yes, you do. So you can change the name and write it whatever I want to write it. Maybe for next time you just see it appear there, just like my other ones. Let me remove it to, let me change it to tutor, and I'll click on save on top. If you watch now, I will definitely, if I go on see all, if you see all my audience, if you watch, the first one is now tutor. You get now. So if you have other multiple ones that are available there, that's the same way you can create multiple location for what you are doing. If it's for business or for video promotion, it depends on what you are doing. So this is Instagram. You can switch for Instagram. You can do both Instagram and Facebook adverts. It will run on both Instagram here. You can as well do this one here. So another thing you can do is you can as well from here I know you can do remove just Facebook. This thing will run only on Instagram. You can put only Facebook and remove Instagram. So this is one way you can do it. You get. So let's put two of them, and in our next video I will show you how to run an effective ad using Facebook for Instagram. Okay, so select your money. If you watch the money selected, 1,005 something for 1 day, and then our result is just payment aspect. If you are done, click on how much you select is 1,000 something, and we'll have more than that money available. So the advert, it will go. So for us to add more money, let's go and click on the money aspect. We have clicked on that money, that place they wrote money. You can say now add to amount. So I want to add more money to it. Let me say I want to add 1,000. Okay, let me say I want to add 2,000 naira. Okay, I've added 2,000 naira. Next thing is I want to do this thing using bank transfer. I'll click on bank transfer. Okay, if you have not watched the video on how I did using card, please go and watch it. Go and watch it. Okay, click this bank transfer. Next thing is next. Please, if you're in Nigeria, leave all this Visa, debit alert. If you're in Nigeria, just use bank transfer or use other ones. Okay, they're asking you now to is loading. So why I'm taking it gently so that you understand how this thing functions, how this thing works very well, so you're not going to waste your time. Okay, this is the account you are going to pay this thing to. First thing you have to do, I will always advise people screenshot this space. I've screenshotted this thing now, so you not make a mistake. You will have it. Now this account you are going to, this amount you are paying, so transfer the money to this. I'll copy the account number. This account number. Okay, this is the bank name and this account name. Okay, don't forget. So let me go now to my OPay and make the transfer. I will show you processes. 2,000. Watch. I'll just go now under my OPay. This is my normal account. Okay, I will not be showing you this. Just hold on. Okay, let me make transfer. This is my OPay. Okay, I will make transfer using OPay. You see, that's the name they showed me there. I'll click on it. That's the bank. I'll click on next. How much am I paying? I'm paying 2,000 naira. Who be that? I'm busy. You can come in, Sha. So guys, let's continue. So you click on confirm. You see, next thing is continue. I'm paying. Come in. So now I need to put my passport and then we'll proceed. All right, it said successfully. You get, I've paid successfully. Now let me go back to my app. Click on the app. Now save invoice in PDF. Now the invoice, they say you should save in PDF. Look at the information. They said payment instructions. Proceed to bank app to complete your payment. To guarantee your payment, enter the account number and the total amount as it appears on your ticket. Yet on your ticket, identify the above account name as the beneficiary. Confirm the date, the data, and complete transfer. Now I've made the transfer. Look at the amount they say I should do. Amount, you get last amount I'm paying. So I've paid the amount completely. Save invoice in PDF. That's the money I paid. This save file in PDF. You will be directed to here shortly. All right, verification pending. Once we have verified, once we have received verification form. Okay, once we have received verification form, it's supposed to be form. They say from will be added to your account. You can now return to Facebook app. They are verifying. Okay, so now once this thing is done, verification, you will actually receive money. Your account, everything will be done completely. Let's go back to Facebook and click on Facebook. Are you seeing it now? 2,000 naira successfully added to your account. You can see it with me. I didn't cut this video. I'm making it from beginning so you understand how this is being done. So that amount of money we are asked to pay, that's the money you are paying. Let me do it again. That's the money you are paying. That money is kind of a code. Let's try it again. Second time, click on this. Click on that place, the root amount. Use transfer and then click on next. Now 7,672 naira 50 kobo. That's the money I am meant to pay. I want to pay. Watch now. Now they give me this exact amount of money is what I'm going to pay. Don't miss it. Once you pay exact amount of money, they will verify your account and then save invoice in PDF. They will verify your account immediately. Like I said, look at the first information. Proceed to bank app to complete transfer. To guarantee your payment, enter the account number and the total amount as it appears on your ticket. This is your ticket here. This is your ticket here. This is the amount you are meant to pay. Exact amount. Don't remove, don't add. This is the exact amount you are meant to pay. This amount is what will guarantee. Once you do that, you come and click on save the invoice and you are good to go. So guys, thank you so much for following up. If this is your first time of joining me, please do subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.